Chemistry is fundamental to technological innovation and human progress. Understanding the composition and properties of matter and the mechanisms involved in its transformation through chemical reactions requires a capacity of analysis and deduction, as well as creativity. The Rovira and Virgili University, URV, is a modern public university located in Tarragona, just 100 kilometers south of Barcelona, the most influential city on the shores of the Mediterranean. The URV has been ranked among the top 80 universities in the world less than 50 years old, according in 2015 to the Times Higher Education Journal. The Faculty of Chemistry at the URV is a powerful centre with excellent and modern installations, classrooms, laboratories, and a wide range of equipment for teaching and research. The main objective of the Faculty of Chemistry is to use the most advanced resources to educate the best scientists and technicians in the field of chemistry. The faculty staff consists of 75 professors. Each student has a personal academic tutor who guides his or her academic progress. The small number of students using a laboratory at any one time also makes individual attention possible.
Our leadership in research guarantees that the subjects being learned are constantly updated and taught with the most advanced learning technologies. Therefore, we will be using the latest advance in science and technology. We are committed to your professional success.
Tarragona is home to the largest chemical park in the south of Europe. The importance of this industrial environment and the presence of the Faculty of Chemistry has led to a cluster of excellence in chemical research being located in Tarragona, the Institute of Chemical Research of Catalonia, the Technological Centre of Chemistry of Catalonia, and the Institute of Energy Research of Catalonia. All three of which are strategic research centres from the economic and environmental point of view. This industrial and research environment means that the Faculty of Chemistry can provide its students with more opportunities than other universities. They can gain work experience in industry and take part in the research programs of the faculty research groups. The Faculty of Chemistry also takes part in international mobility programs. These programs enable students to spend 1 or 2 semesters at other universities.
I came back from a stay at University of Nottingham for 3 months, where I did my bachelor's thesis. The scientific experience was amazing, and I improved my English considerably.
A degree in chemistry throws open the door to a wide and diverse professional future in sectors such as petrochemicals, food, pharmaceuticals, energy, the environment, cosmetics, or research and teaching, among others. After finishing your bachelor's degree, you can continue studying at the Rovira e Virgili University for an MSc or a PhD recognized the world over. In addition to studying chemistry and English, you will be able to take Spanish courses specially designed for Chinese students. The Spanish language will open the doors to the world of Latin America. The Rovira i Virgili University has a considerable experience in hosting Chinese students. Only in 2015, more than 18 were admitted on programs at the URV. You will have many colleagues who can help you if you have any special requirements.
大家好，我是罗维拉威尔吉利大学化学学院的一名博士生。罗维拉威尔吉利大学位于美丽的地中海城市塔拉戈纳，在这里学习，我获得了很多学习的机会，交到了很多的朋友。希望更多的朋友加入到我们罗维拉威尔吉利大学，欢迎你们。
The Faculty of Chemistry also has a significant number of international students.
Hello, I'm Mike. I'm from the University of Würzburg in Germany. I'm doing here a research project, and I've chosen Tarragona because of the great and interesting research.
My name is Da. I'm from Vietnam. I'm doing a PhD in nanomaterials here in Tarragona.
My name is Kudirat. I'm from Nigeria. I'm a bachelor degree of chemistry at the University of Rovira i Virgili at the Faculty of Chemistry. At this moment, I'm doing my final project, and I choose this just because at the area of Tarragona, it will be easy for me to. There is a lot of industrial chemistry, and this is a great opportunity for me.
Hi, my name is Alexander Savchuk. I'm from Ukraine, and I'm doing my PhD in nanomaterial science here in University of Rovira i Virgili. It's a very nice place, and you have to come. You are very welcome.
Hello, I'm Azizur Rahman. I'm from Bangladesh. I came here in Spain at the University of Rovira i Virgili for my doctoral study. Here in this university, I'm working for the plastic antibody for the detection of bacteria.
Hello, my name is Rafael. I come from New Zealand, and I came to Spain here to the Universitat Rovira i Virgili to make my master's degree. I can say that the life here is fantastic. We have a great academic program, and we have a great lifestyle with good food, good weather, and great people.
Hello, my name is Leonor. I'm from Mexico City, and I'm here doing postdoctoral research in the Nanosensors group at the Universitat Rovira i Virgili in Catalonia. It's a very good place to stay and study and learn.
The URV has delegates in China who will advise you in Chinese, and they will guide you through the enrollment process. We provide many services to make your enrollment and arrival at the URV easier. For example, pick up at the airport and transport to the residence, enrollment at the Faculty of Chemistry, and personal academic tutorials. Tarragona is a very safe place. The city has 140,000 inhabitants, and it has been declared a World Heritage City by UNESCO. The cost of living in Tarragona is much lower than in other big cities like London or New York. The network of motorways is excellent. The train and bus services are first-rate, and there are also 2 airports that connect the URV with the world. The graduates from the Faculty of Chemistry are highly valued as professionals, not only because of their knowledge, but also because of their initiative, their ability to relate to others, their communication skills, and their capacity to adapt to changing environments. Although the bachelor's degree in chemistry is demanding, the job opportunities for graduates are considerable because they can help society to rise to the challenges it faces and improve the quality of people's lives.